Pete from Pulse PEMF with another recipe to enhance your life. Today we have a smoothie recipe that is energizing and satisfying and could replace a meal if you're in a hurry. In addition to our bioavailable liquid superfood supplement PulseFuel, we are going to be using a lesser known superfood called maca. Maca root in its original state looks kind of like the cross between a potato and a white radish. And it grows wild in the frigid ground of the Andes Mountains, thousands of feet above sea level. The people of the Andes Mountains have been farming this and cultivating this for thousands of years, using it as a food supplement as well as a traditional medicine for everything from fertility problems to fragile bones and even poor memory. Nowadays, maca is used often in energy supplements. However, energy isn't about stimulants. It's about giving your body what it needs for the demands of life. And that's where maca comes in. It's an adaptogenic plant, which means that it helps your body adapt to or resist what's going on around or inside it, like stress, anxiety, or low energy. As a superfood, maca is packed with iodine and iron to help promote healthy cells and keep your metabolism on track. It's also loaded with potassium, which is great for digestion and keeping your muscles happy. It also features calcium, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins, especially vitamin K. So you're probably thinking, wow, why have I not tried maca until now? It's a great question. Here's your chance. In a blender or smoothie maker, add the coconut milk, PulseFuel, vanilla protein powder, MCT oil, banana, and maca, then blend for around 10 seconds. Then add the frozen fruit and spinach and blend again for around 20 seconds. The end result is a creamy, fruity, and energizing smoothie that is packed with healthy fats and protein to help you feel full. And there you have it, a simple, satisfying, and energizing smoothie recipe for you or anyone in your family if you're in a hurry or on the go. And don't forget, you can check out our YouTube channel for more tips and recipes that will enhance your life. I'll see you later.